everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you the Steampunk Tag Mini Album that I created using the absolutely stunning Atelier Curiosities paper collection by yours truly, Decorate Your Life. If you're into scrapbooking, paper crafting, or just love the steampunk aesthetic, then this project is for you. Make sure to stick around because I'll be showing you all of the intricate details and embellishments I've added to this unique mini album. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you love steampunk inspired crafts. Let's start with the front cover. As you can see, I've incorporated some gorgeous metal embellishments to really fit that steampunk vibe. And look at the stunning gears, I love them, and vintage inspired details. It really brings the design to life. The dangle beads at the bottom, yes, I made those myself in a separate tutorial video, and you can find the link to that tutorial in the description below. And the spine of this mini album is equally detailed. I used the die from KS Crafts to create both the pages and the spine. To give it that extra touch, I embellished the spine with bows and metal dangles that I had in my stash. And I love how these little additions just elevate the overall look of the mini album and really give it a whimsical steampunk feel. Now, onto the inside of this mini album. This album has 16 pages front and back, giving you plenty of room to add your favorite pictures and memories. I've embellished each page with metal pieces that continue the steampunk theme throughout, and you can see how the gears and intricate details tie everything together. Each page has a unique design, making it a perfect place to showcase your photos in style. And the closure is inspired by the closures that you see on my traveler's notebooks. It's simple yet functional, and it complements the design perfectly. I had so much fun creating the Steampunk Tag Mini Album using the Atelier Curiosities paper collection by Decor8 Your Life. That's a mouthful. The steampunk style is so versatile, and this project allowed me to explore that in a really creative way. If you're looking for a unique and stylish way to preserve your memories, this mini album is the perfect project for you. Be sure to check the links in the description below, and don't forget to watch my tutorial on how to add the beads to this mini album. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck in the giveaway.